Today we're diving into the world of candle making with the SAEUYVB Candle Making Kit for Adults, a comprehensive DIY starter kit that includes everything you need to create beautiful soy candles right at home. This all-in-one kit features a state-of-the-art LED display wax melting pot with temperature control, eliminating the need for complicated tools and making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned candle makers. With 1.5 pounds of 100% natural soy wax, 16 candle tins, 8 essential scents, and 12 wax dyes, you can craft unique, clean-burning candles that are perfect for any season. The kit also includes 16 gift boxes, ribbons, and writable label paper, allowing you to personalize your creations and make them ideal gifts for friends and family. Safety is a priority with anti-scald gloves and a silicone mat included, ensuring a worry-free candle-making experience. Plus, the step-by-step guide with pictures makes the process foolproof, guaranteeing lasting results and maximum enjoyment. If you have any questions, their responsive after-sales service is ready to assist, ensuring a pleasant and satisfying candle-making journey.